Yep, you seen the title, you seen the thumbnail, and we're gonna try to dial it back just a little bit today, kind of make it a little healthy. I'm gonna show you guys how to make a easy spinach rice. Man, I really enjoyed this one, and you're gonna like it too. Let's go. All right, let's go ahead and do roll call. Right here we have our spinach. We're using olive oil, onions, garlic cloves, some dill, chives or green onions, some baby spinach, rice, vegetable broth, butter, lemon zest, lemon juice, and we're gonna use some chicken bouillon. So these are the ingredients, guys. Let's go ahead and get started. All right, so to get started, we're gonna turn our cooktop on. We're gonna turn that temperature up, and we're gonna start heating our olive oil. And we're gonna get this up to temperature. Once we get that baby up to temperature, we're going to start adding our onions. And we're going to saute these for about 5 to 7 minutes until they're softened. Man, who else loves the smell of sauteed onions? All right, so now we're about 5 minutes in. So now what we're going to do is add our garlic, our green onions or chives if you have chives. I got green onions. And our dill. And we're going to let this cook here for another minute. All right, so now that we've cooked that in for about a minute, we're going to start adding our spinach. Now I don't have baby spinach here, guys. This is just, I mean, you got baby spinach, that's fine. I didn't have any baby spinach in the store that I was in, so, and we're going to cook this until it wilts down. And that could take about 3 to 4 minutes. I tell you, when you're cooking spinach, you think you got a whole bunch of it, and once you put it in the pot and it starts to wilt down, that 16-ounce package turns into about a cup of spinach. All right, so now we have it wilted down. Next, we're adding our vegetable broth. Now, if you don't have vegetable broth, you can use chicken broth. This is about 2 1/4 cups. And you also want to add your rice too. And I'm going to add my bouillon, chicken bouillon here. And we're going to bring this to a boil while we get it mixed up. All right, so now that we're at a boil, we're going to just cover this up. We're going to reduce our heat. We're going to let it cook for 20 minutes. All right, so we are 20 minutes in. So this is what we have right here. Give this a quick stir real quick. And what we want to do here, we want to add our butter. And we're going to let the rice continue to cook for another 5 minutes. All right, so we're 5 minutes in. Let's take our lid off. And we're going to get at a quick mix. Man, this looks good. It smells good too. All right, so the last thing we're going to do to finish this up is we're going to take our lemon zest, going to add that, our dill, and lemon juice. And we're just going to get that mixed in here like that. And for me, last but not least, I'm going to sprinkle a little salt on here. I tasted it, and I think I need a little salt on mine. Not much. And I'm going to bring a little pepper in there too. We'll give it mixed up. All right, guys, so let's go ahead and get over to our cutting board, take a look at what we got, get into the final presentation and quality control. All right, so we are in here for quality control. We're gonna go ahead and try out this spinach rice. I'm gonna go ahead and make it quick because this battery is dying. So let's go ahead and take a bite. Yes. I can taste that lemon and the dill. Man, all those good flavors, the garlic and the onion. It's one of the recipes where people say, well, what the meat at? You could definitely add you some grilled chicken to it, whatever type of meat you want. But this is really good by itself if you're just looking for some, eat healthy rice and spinach. Very, very delicious, guys. So I'm gonna go ahead and get out of here. Until then, I'm your cook, Spinelli. Y'all already know. all wings, everything. And remember, I'm not a chef. I just cook a lot, and I'm out. Peace.